How does the sperm find the egg in complete darkness? The sperm has no eyes, so how does it find the egg? Inside the female reproductive tract, a sperm is traveling through an environment it cannot see. There are no eyes, no map, and no obvious road leading directly to the egg. So how does it know where to go? The answer involves a remarkable system of chemical signals. As the egg approaches its mature state, the cells surrounding it release specific molecules into the fluid around the egg. These molecules create a changing chemical environment that can help guide sperm toward the egg. The sperm doesn't see these signals. Instead, it detects molecular cues using specialized receptors on its surface. These receptors act like tiny biological sensors, allowing the sperm to respond to its surroundings. And something remarkable happens. Its swimming pattern changes. Instead of simply moving randomly, the sperm begins making repeated turns, adjusting its direction as it responds to the chemical environment. Each small change in movement can increase its chances of moving closer to the egg. The journey is still difficult. The sperm must continue swimming through a complex reproductive environment while constantly responding to changing conditions. Many sperm never get close enough to the egg. Others lose energy or fail to follow the correct chemical cues. Only a small number eventually reach the area surrounding the egg. As the sperm gets closer, the molecular signals become increasingly important. Its movement continues to change, helping it navigate through the surrounding fluid. Eventually, after traveling through this microscopic environment, the sperm finally reaches its target. The egg is now directly ahead. But the journey doesn't simply end there. The sperm must first make contact with the egg's outer protective layer called the zona pellucida. This layer surrounds the egg, forming a strong biological barrier. Reaching the egg is only the beginning. The sperm now has to successfully interact with the molecules on this protective surface. If the interaction is successful, the sperm can begin the next stage of fertilization. It starts preparing to pass through the egg's protective barrier. So the sperm doesn't need eyes to find the egg. It doesn't need a map, and it doesn't consciously know where it's going. Instead, it responds to chemical information using microscopic receptors and constantly adjusting its movement. What looks like a completely dark journey is actually filled with molecular signals, guiding the sperm through its environment. And eventually, one sperm reaches the egg, finds its target, and begins the final challenge. But finding the egg is only the beginning.